Sometimes when using the fine tuners, you notice that when you keep turning the fine tuners, at some point it is stuck and all the way at the bottom, and still the string did not reach the target pitch yet. In that case, you can follow the following simple steps. It's very easy. First of all, you unwind the fine tuner until it is very loose again, not all the way loose, just so you can turn it again. Then you place the violin like this on your knee, and you tune the violin with the peg, as I described in my video how to tune the violin with the pegs. And then you can do the fine tuning again with the fine tuner. When you are very close to the target pitch with the peg, you can use the fine tuner again. Until the string is in tune again.